this community in a flood zone?
So that's one of the best things about our community is that we are on top of a hill, so no flood zone here.
Awesome, awesome. So it's like you're like in your own personal little castle.
Yep.
And you get to look downward on everything. Not on everyone, because we don't
yes,
want that.
No.
Downward on things, not on people.
But the views are really beautiful from up here too. You can tell you're kind of at the peak up here.
Yeah. I actually noticed that, as we were walking the community, we actually noticed that some of the homes are also elevated to a point where it looks like, when there's rain coming down and things of that nature, it'll flush itself out really, really nicely. So it's a good thing to have when it comes to homes.
Absolutely. And we've got the wet dry ponds areas too. So when it does rain, those do fill up. So we do have some home sites that do have water in the backyard.